everyone. I am working. I know my hair, I got it in these rollers. I may try to do a regular video today. I don't know. But I didn't start my wrapping last night. I fell asleep, went on upstairs, went to bed, honey. I was tired. But I may try to do some wrapping tonight because I need to go ahead and wrap this stuff, put it up under the tree, and finish doing some other little cooking. I may do some cooking tonight, may make some little treats tonight for the rest of the week so we can eat on. Hey, Sagey, she is all up on me. So, basically that's what I'm doing. Move, Sagey. And, but I think next year, I think I want to try to take my vacation toward the end of the year. Look at Ray. Now say hey, Ray.
Hello.
So anyway, I usually take vacation in August, the week of August, our anniversary. But then I started saying I need to start saving some of this. And well, she told my bad girl, you need to bring her in here and get her. See, she can't be doing that. Yes, this dog, she all up under the tree, tearing up gifts. See, tearing up stuff. I don't know if you can see it. Ray getting ready to get her. Because she can't be down there at night tearing up all the gifts. Anything that smells new, she's like, ooh, let me see. So I have some more stuff that I need to put down there tonight. And anyway, like I was saying, I want to take the week off next year for the holidays. Like for Christmas, I want to take that week off before Christmas because I'm so busy and I'm doing so much family coming in and things that if I can last that long, you know what I mean? So anyway, yeah, get her. Show her what she did. Show her. No. Look at this. No. Right. Look at this. So I am on lunch. On my lunch break, fixing some salads for everybody because that's what I feel like eating today is a salad. I'm just chopping up some almonds right now to put in it. I'm chopping up this. Mom and them, I put some corned beef. What is this corned beef? Some kind of, yeah, beef. Or Mama's and them. Mine is just going to be this regular with some almonds, smoked almonds that I have. And some tomatoes, just a regular old salad. I don't want any meat in mine. I get like that at times. So, trying to fix it real quick before I go back. Breaks are so quick. It's like 15 minutes goes by so fast. What time is it? Yeah. All right. It is, what is it? 3:43 Eastern Standard Time. You know, this Sheen has been sending, I think it's called Sheen, one of them. They've been sending me a lot of little products. This time, let me see, they sent a bunch of little stuff. I don't know what half of them are. This one is, let's see, a brush. Ooh, cute. I can always use that. Marilyn Monroe, I think. But I don't know what this is. This is some kind of little, I don't know what it is. But anyhow, these are the little trinkets and things. Thank you, Sheen. I might be saying it wrong. I think it's called Sheen, maybe. Anyway, I don't know what this is. Feels rubbery. I don't know. Let's see. Looking at all this stuff they sent me, Ray. Look, see? I don't know what this is. What it's for. I don't know. Maybe. I got some lashes yesterday. Some lashes they sent. Sagey, get down. Look at her.
Get out.
Oh, a little hair thing, which is nice. Charcoal nose strips. And let's see. Whatever this is. What is this? Ooh. Ooh, a little mirror. This is really cute. Cute little stuff. Let's see. Blemish patch. So yeah, that's it in a lot of little cute little items. every day I keep opening up something. I'm like, ooh, okay. Oh, this is a cute little Marilyn Monroe bag. And let's see what this is, all wrapped up in the little poppy paper. This is the last product right here. That's some hand cream, which is always good to have. Wait, no, here's another item. Let's see what this is. They send some cute little stuff. I'm like, okay. Oh, what is this? This is avocado color changing lip care. It changes color. Huh, let's see what color it is right now. Let's see. All right, so let's see. Changing lip color. Oh, I used to have some of this when I was a little girl. I applied it on and it changed red. Supposed to change red, maybe. Let's see what it changes. Do it supposed to change when it gets cold or what? Let's see. Hello, hello, hello. It is Friday. I've made it to Friday. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Ray went and picked up us some Kentucky Fried Chicken for today because, you know, I'm not cooking. And so we got dinner here. Lunch. I'm on my lunch break now. Finish up today and then the weekend begins. I'm so excited. And enjoy my break or lunch break. So I'm super excited about that. Anyway, I wanted to pop on here. I'm not even really a chicken person. I start eating chicken and then my husband will finish the rest. I'm not really a chicken type person, but I'm hungry today. Ready to eat. And so, anyway, come back on here soon. Look at how she's looking. Ray has trapped her in. Look at NeeCJae. Good morning, everybody. Look at her. Ray has trapped her in because she's acting crazy because DJ is home. Here go DJ. Ebony is at her mom's house, but she'll be here today. DJ came in last night. Come say hello.
You already know. What's up? What's up, the NeeCJae fan?
You so silly. Look, I don't put you just saying just like that, too.
I'm going to rub Sadie for a bit.
Yeah, because she acting crazy. And then when Ebony comes, she going to act even more crazy. So, oh my goodness. It has been a busy morning that we always do a tradition of Christmas Eve. So this is Saturday, the day before Christmas Eve. So yeah, I'm just ran to the store to pick up a few little things. You see some, I had to pick up my seltzer waters. It's like a little grocery haul thing. But I picked up some little China crystal plates. I like these little plates, you know, that way we will not have a whole bunch of dishes to wash. I'm not playing that. Picked up some little paper plates. These are just the last minute items, you know, just the last minute things. And I noticed, you know, in the store, I don't have like any cake pans, like regular cake pans. So I have like the bundt pans, but I said, this is a nice big kind of pan, you know, for a nice big size cake. And I can always slice it in the middle and then fill it like that. But yeah, I thought this was, I bought 2 of them. So I got 2 of these. And let's see, just a jug of milk and just last minute items, this and forks. I think I got some a can of mushroom soup, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, and cream of celery soup. So these are the 3 mushroom, celery for my stuffings and stuff like that. So this is basically it. My little cups, forks, that's basically it. So that's all we're doing. So anyway, here come the boys, DJ and Ray. There they go.
You already know, man. We out here being men, working on them brakes, working on cars. You already know.
He's so silly. Anyway, Ray gonna show him again how to do his brakes. Because my husband does not believe in taking his car nowhere. To nobody unless he really, really needs it. So anyway, that's all that's going on right now. And yeah, I'll be back with more action for today. I don't know, some little squishy thing. Oh, that's Kelly not gonna like that. I've squished it myself. So yeah. And guess what? I still have not done my gifts. I have not wrapped my gifts. So
I didn't get.
huh? Go ahead. You got what?
No, I want to say nothing for the camera. This is off script.
Oh, okay. Well, excuse me. But anyway, y'all, I'll see you in a few. Hello, happy Christmas Eve. Mom and I are out early this morning getting our last little bits of stuff that we need. Hey, we are back at home getting ready to start dinner, Sunday dinner, Christmas Eve dinner. And I know the boys are coming and you know, with the games, football games and things going on, and I know they may be ready to eat and our food may not be ready. So I'm gonna do like a cheese plate, kind of cheese plate, and I'm gonna have candy, cookies, little things that people can snack on until we get finished with the food. So let me see. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. I always like to start off with one of these or some kind of little cutting board that we can place this on. And if this is not a good one, then I always have another one that I can place it on. But I have some cheeses, grapes, strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my grapes and strawberries, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start placing them on my cutting board. I'm ready to do this. I already fried my turkey chops, and don't they look like pork chops? That's what everybody say. They look just like pork chops. So I'm gonna put the gravy and onions and all of that to it. My greens are frozen still, had them in the freezer, kind of taking them out, letting them kind of unthaw. And I have my corned beef that cooked and my turkey breast that's in the refrigerator. I was gonna dip these strawberries, but there's no need because I have these chocolate covered pretzels and things like that, so yeah. So this is the tray. Getting them sweet potatoes. Doing that sweet potatoes for that sweet potato pie right there. All right. Hang on. Fixing my stuffing. Getting this all together now, cutting up celery, onions, and all of that stuff. I'm gonna run upstairs in a few, get myself together, finish cutting up my turkey and my corned beef, and get myself together, and I am ready to go. So yeah. Anyway, let me go on up here. Ebony's here. NeeCJae, Ray, of course, and the rest of everybody's coming. So I got my collards done. And the mac and cheese brown a little bit, but it's all good. And let's see, the turkey chops are ready. And let's see, the sweet potato fluff is ready as well. The potato pies. We have the corn on the top.
You already know, boy. I let it snow, boy. I let it go.
All I do isn't enough. Or what
Merry
if I can do
Christmas
diabetes
from my family to yours.
Mama, you put your stuff in the microwave already?
Okay, you know, bag, put it down in there. Take this up. Right here, put me some dessert in it.
You coming back down though, right? For this evening, we got on our Christmas pajamas. This is our tradition. Take a Jabin. We have the football game on now, but then we're gonna watch some Christmas movies and we're getting ready to eat, you guys. So I just want to tell you, if I don't get to see you tomorrow, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! This is from the girls. I don't know about the boys, but Merry Christmas from my family to you. Right, you guys?